Hi guys, it's Drew here from Prepare Camping, and if you follow my Instagram, you know I've decided to take up some home brewing. So today I'm going to try this IPA kit from Wilko's. To help getting the malt extract out of the can, simply leave it in some warm water for a few minutes to soften. Obviously, before I began this, I made sure that all the equipment was nice and sterilised. When it's nice and runny, tip it into your fermenting vessel. You might find that it's easier to get the last bits out of the can by adding some boiling water to it. Now, this kit is enough for 40 pints, which works out at 36p a pint if you use the brewer sugar from Wilko's as well. Although I'm just using a kilo of normal sugar, so mine's probably only about 31 or 32p a pint. Now add a kilo of sugar and 6 pints or 3.5 litres of boiling water. And then give it all a very good stir, just to make sure that all the sugar's nice and dissolved. Now we just simply add some cold water. That'll help bring the temperature down, ready to pitch the yeast as well. As you can see here, I'm stopping when I get to 23 litres. As this is cooling, take a gravity reading. Use the thermometer and make sure you go at the right temperature, and then pitch your yeast. Now give it another good stir to make sure it's thoroughly mixed, and leave it somewhere nice and warm for a week. By the next day, you should see lots of CO2 coming through your airlock.
It's alive! Oh, it's alive! It's alive! It's alive! It's alive!
After a week or so, you're ready to transfer it into kegs or bottles. Take another gravity reading at this stage and you can work out your alcohol content. Then leave them somewhere warm for another couple of days before conditioning them somewhere cooler for about another 2 weeks. And then you're good to go. Cheers! So, thanks very much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this, please consider watching this one. And who knows, if you really liked it, subscribe to the channel here. Till next time, take care.